Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to import a theme in Shopify store, right now as you can see we are into Shopify dashboard, right? And in the left side toolbar, as you can see, online store option is available, right? You just need to click on it, right? And here setup guide is also asking you to give the details. You can also ask setup guide to set up a theme for you, right? So you can simply type in and it will automatically set up a theme for you, right? So it is just asking describe your business, choose a ready-made design, edit the default design. So let me try this one first, right? So I am just going to type trend wali sells women wear or women clothes, right? And I want to create such kind of website. So kindly add or import a suitable theme for it, right? So you can simply type whatever you want to type, right, as per your business. So you can also tell the setup guide what do you actually sell. So I actually sell the western wear and ethnic wear and traditional wear. I will simply mention all these, right? At the end of the day, it will simply import a basic theme. You just need to edit the whole entire theme. The colors, the text, the images, the logo, the favicon, the footer, right? Whatever you want to change, you can simply change it after importing a theme into your Shopify website, right? So you can mention few details, right, and it will automatically take care of it. So I have submitted. Okay, perfect. Women fashion across western. Okay, use the describe your business. Okay, so it is telling me that you can use this particular paragraph for describing your business while editing a theme, right? So you can simply copy it, right? And as we go below, it is asking if you would prefer to browse ready-made design instead, look for one with bold, full width imagery, clean category navigation, mobile first layouts. It is also giving a suggestion that we should consider these things, right? We should consider a clean category navigation design. Describe which direction feel right for you. Describe your brand for a custom design, right? So I've simply typed this. Go for it. In the description box on the page, you can just simply add this, right? So basically setup guide is not going to help me out in this, right? We need to import the theme manually. Okay, so yes, sure, try it. Let's see if it can try, right? That part happens directly on the page in front. Okay, it is guiding me, right? You can go to the page and you can simply add this particular paragraph. Okay, let's copy it, and if required further we will simply paste it, right? And in the left side toolbar, as you can see, few themes are getting displayed, and when we click on view store, this is the basic theme that Shopify have installed on our website, right? So you can use this theme as well, or you can import a new theme, right? You can edit this theme. It is already imported, right? You can add another theme by clicking on add button below, right? And that particular theme would be imported, right? You can also view some more premium themes. Mostly Shopify offer premium themes, right? So Horizon is getting installed, right? Already Horizon is have been installed before, right? So it would not make any sense, right, to install the same theme, right? Because this is the free theme, right? And you need to edit it, right? Then your website would be gone live, right? You can simply click on edit theme, right, to edit this particular theme. You can also purchase some good Shopify theme, but I would not recommend you to purchase a theme, right? Because it is too much costly, and you can edit it, and the setup guide is going to help you out, right? For each and everything, like you can get codes written for different sections, right? You can simply edit this theme from here, right? We will learn how to customize a theme later, This video is all about how to import or how to add a theme into your Shopify website, which I have already told you, right? So we are going to learn how to customize a theme later in our upcoming videos. So for that, you can simply subscribe our YouTube channel so you never miss any update, right? Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.